I'm Beanie. I'm Beanie.
Today, I'm gonna weigh the 4 largest species of snake I have in my collection. So I'm gonna be weighing the green anaconda today, the reticulated python, the African rock python, and the Burmese python that I'm gonna be weighing first. And I'm gonna just see who is the biggest in my collection out of the 4 largest species of snake in the world. So the first snake I'm gonna weigh is my pearl Burmese python, who comes from Asia. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh this container first without no snakes. So just the container itself weighs 782 grams. And then I'm going to go ahead and zero that out. Go ahead and weigh this girl. So this is a hypo albino, which makes the pearl. So she is at 239 grams for the pearl Burmese python. I think she'll be the 3rd biggest probably. So secondly, I'm gonna weigh the African rock python. This is the longest and heaviest snake in Africa. And most of these snakes could surpass the other. The retic is the only one that's known to get the longer of the 4 snakes. So I'm gonna go ahead and weigh the container first. So the official weight of the African rock is 316 grams for the African rock python. I do think that this is the heaviest snake in my collection, but it may be the retic or the green anaconda, so we're gonna have to wait until see next.
So I accidentally deleted a clip of me weighing the green anaconda. The green anaconda ended up to weigh a total of 312 grams.
So I did double check. The African rock is at 316 grams. The green anaconda is at 312 grams at 2nd place right now. And at 3rd place right now. And we have the Burmese python in 3rd place at 239 grams. So let's see if the reticulated python can take it. If not, I think the African rock python may be the heaviest snake in my collection. So let's go see next. So next we have the reticulated python, the longest snake in the world. She was a little work just to get out of her cage, but she did calm down. So I'm gonna try to get official weight on her. So far, the African rock python is in 1st, the green anaconda is in 2nd, and the Burmese python in 3rd. So let's see where this girl lands on on the largest snake in my collection. The largest of the 4 largest snakes in the collection. And let me get official weight on her if she stops moving. Come on, girl. So let's weigh the container. So the retic comes at a impressive 400 grams. So this would be the largest of the 4 largest species of snake I have in my collection. I do have ball pythons that weigh more than this, but this retic comes at 400 grams. So that makes it retic at number 1, the African rock python at number 2, the green anaconda at number 3, and the Burmese python at number 4. So I'm really excited about this. Thank you guys for watching my video on who was the heaviest out of the 4 largest species of snake that I have in my collection in the world.